This has got to be my favorite form of mail now. I am so excited. I got a bunch of books. So I feel like let's do an unboxing and you can see what's going to be coming up on my TBR. So first up is Viola Davis's book. Like, look at her. She's so cute. It's called Finding Me. I heard this has fantastic ratings and I heard it's even better on audiobook. So I feel like I wanted just to have the physical copy. But then I definitely want to listen to the audiobook. I really hope it's her reading it because I love listening to her. But this is going to be incredible. Then I fell into the Mary Kubica, I hope I'm saying that correctly, train. I'm currently reading her newest release and really loving it. So I went on a hunt to see what else she has written. And this is She's Not Sorry. It's a local woman missing novel. Love a good suspense, love a good thriller, love a hardback if you have not noticed that. And then, of course, my girl, Frieda McFadden. She will forever be my favorite thriller suspense writer because she's what got me back into reading. This one's called One by One. I went on a hunt to figure out what she has written. I want to have them all. It is the longest section on my bookshelf right now. Absolutely excited. This one's a little bit lighter, so this is definitely something I'm going to be reading in a single night. Now, we are branching out. I'm super excited thanks to TikTok's Book Talk. Learning about other authors is like a mission I'm on right now. And so this one is Tiffany D. Jackson, Blood in the Water. This one got really good ratings. Ooh, Wiki, I kind of love this. The pages are red. Kind of freaks you out already. But again, love a good hardback. She's thick. Riley Sager, the only one left. I've seen every single person that's rated this high ratings. She has some depth to her. She's thicker than a Snicker. So I'm excited. I'm going to add these to my upcoming TBR. Full disclosure, it's halfway through March and I've actually accomplished my entire March TBR. As this book is being filmed, I'm finishing the last book I intended to read for March. A lot of good reads. I will do a full recap at the end of the month, but I'm definitely going to have to pull from the bookshelf. These ones are going to get added to it and read some of the other books I have available because I didn't think I'd get through 4 books that fast. But y'all, there are so many good authors. I love that reading has become even more of a thing now. And there's so much information out there about all of these very talented people. So I'm going to put these on my bookshelf. But if you've read any of these books, please drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Or if there's other books by these authors that you think I should read, I would love recommendations. So don't be shy. Drop them in the comments. And I have linked all of my book recommendations in my Amazon storefront. So I'll put it in the description. Super excited to hear some of your recommendations. And I'm really excited to expand my author base. So happy reading.